Hey guys, this is Alik from NatureWithAlik YouTube channel and a beautiful Shulman dragon fruit orchard. So it's July 2025. We start harvesting of our dragon fruit and we're running through the aisles and aisles to taste and to share with you the taste and beauty of dragon fruits, okay? So today we run already the light, we did the robles red, we did the beautiful physical graffiti. Now we're moving to the station of Michelle and Mr. Wu area, okay? So, but before we move forward, I would like you please guys, subscribe to my channel and press pre-notification button so let you know that which movies are getting released very soon. And of course you're gonna get all the notifications so you do not miss any of the yummy and tasty video about my channel, as well as the traveling around the world and sharing the beauty of the world with you. Okay, it's time to harvest the beautiful Mr. Wu fruit. Drum please. Da-da-da. Okay, here we go. Whoa, that's a big one. That's holding very strong. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Almost like a quarter inch of the stem. How strong holding it. Pretty nice and pretty color. Look at this. It's a transition from the right, like a light red to maroon colors, and that is so this area was on the sun and this area was just below, so you don't see much, but it's very pretty transition. So I'm gonna wash it very fast right now and we'll do the weight. We'll check the weight of this fruit, and as well we're gonna do bricks test. We're gonna do bricks test and taste test as well. So here we go. Mr. Wu of 2025, the first fruit. People already pre-order their boxes. People already wants to try different varieties, and as I mentioned before, at some point in August, September, we're able to ship between 15 to 20 different varieties in one box. Can you imagine? So many different flavors, 15 to 20 varieties. Yummy strawberry flavor, berry flavors, and grape flavor we have. We have Enigma with the cherry flavor. We have Connie Meyer with the coconut flavor. So many different and yummy and tasty. And Zacatecas is an amazing variety. It's a candy flavor. So every physical graffiti is such a good tasty fruit. Okay, we're gonna check the weight right now in pounds. Okay, so let me switch to. Okay, it's 14 ounces, 14.1 ounces, very close to 1 pound. Okay, and this is 390 or 400 grams, even 400 grams, amazing number. So okay, 14 ounces and 400 grams, pretty close to a pound, good size of the fruit. Okay, so here we go. We'll take the scale away, and now it's going to be yummy and tasty process. We're going to do the brick score. So we have a nice refractometer, a digital refractometer, which you can check the sweetness of your fruit and drink and see how much sugar consistency in that fruit. Okay, slicing the fruit. So as I mentioned you before guys, do not cut exactly in half because you're gonna end up cutting the wood part. Okay, so try to get a little bit off on the side, little bit at the angle. Okay, and drum. What color do you think it's the fruit? What color is the fruit? Whoa, my gosh, deep magenta color. I would say it's like deep red, but it's nice and pretty magenta color of the Mr. Wu. Look at the colors. Look at the colors. Today is such a beautiful colors. And we got a pink color and from the light, and a little bit dark pink from the physical graffiti. And this is Mr. Wu, such a beautiful color. Okay, I can't wait to check the brick score. This is the first fruit of the year. We're gonna take a little bit from the center section. That's what we usually do. the brick score test, okay? And we put in the garlic squeezer. Here we go. We just need a couple drops to refractometer 0, okay. It's very sunny, but I can see it in the shade, okay. Whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's plenty enough, and I'm gonna press the button. You can see the color. I told you guys, you can use the dragon fruit as a natural coloring for all your bakeries. You can add to, do we see the number? 49.95, 15 points. 15 points, very good number for this type of fruit. It's amazing, and it's very firm texture. When I was moving, yeah, try to get the scoop, so it's very firm texture, not much juice coming out, and it's very good when you scoop it. You can scoop it like an ice cream. Look at this form, not much juice inside, and this is the beautiful portion of the Mr. Wu dragon fruit, okay. So we got 14.95, 15 points of the brick score. Okay, tasting. Cheers, guys. Tasting good, yeah, and I feel a little bit acidity in this one, so it's a perfect combination with the sweetness and acidity of this fruit. People do really love. Lots of variety have this. Has a nice taste, and the firm texture of the flesh of the fruit, and this perfect balance between sweetness and acidity. So lemony flavor, and berry candy, definitely. This is a keeper as well. So all the varieties that Lisa, San Ignacio, Mr. Wu, and we'll do one more check with Michelle. Pretty much the same family, and you guys really gonna enjoy it. Okay, I can't wait to get another bite. And of course, guys, if you're gonna put it in the refrigerator, half an hour, 1 hour, cool down, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna bring more flavor, more taste, more refreshments. You can add this, just scoop it with the fork, scoop it to your cold water with ice, and you don't need to get any lemon. Just scoop, a little portion of this one, drink with your icy water, and it's, guys, amazing dehydration, liquid dehydration juice, lots of vitamins and minerals, and fiber inside. So it's a perfect fruit. So you can eat half of this portion. You can do perfect sorbet, sitting in family watching the movie, slice couple of those fruit, wrap it in a plastic, put in the freezer for like maybe 1-2 hours, and it's gonna get cold nice, and you can scoop it like sorbet, natural sorbet of dragon fruit. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Wish you all the best. Again, presentation of the nice Mr. Wu dragon fruit. Thanks. My phone number again is 323 area code 547-1273. Looking forward to see you all, guys, for the tasting, for the nice tour on my orchard. And as well, we ship a lot. We ship boxes, we ship plants, and we'll see you all. Bye bye.